wooded site. We're set within the old walled gardens. This was the old kitchen garden for the house. So we've got walls on 3 sides of the site. It's beautiful in the summer and beautiful in the winter. Lots to do around here and plenty of little ducks to keep you company. You get direct access onto the Chatsworth Estate through a secret gate, so you can wander the estate to your heart's content. You can also pay to obviously go and see the house and the gardens. Further afield, we've got the Munsell Trail, the Tissington Trail, perfect for push bikes, mountain bikes and road bikes. You've got Bakewell, Buxton and the village of Baslow all on your doorstep. The Wheatsheaf Public House in Baslow, they give 20% off food to members Monday to Friday. We go there quite a lot. We also have an Italian restaurant, Il Lupo, in the village, and they offer 10% discount to members, and that's really nice for a special occasion.